Located in the south end of Pattaya Beach Road just off Walking Street, the beautiful Siam Bayshore Resort, Pattaya, is one of the city's most famous tropical resorts. Surrounded by lush gardens and only minutes away from the excitement of Walking Street. This beachfront property combines relaxation, luxury, and entertainment all in one unforgettable destination. The resort features approximately 270 spacious rooms and suites, spread across low-rise tropical-style buildings. Many rooms include private balconies with garden or ocean views, giving guests a peaceful atmosphere right in the heart of Pattaya. Visitors can enjoy two large swimming pools, a luxury spa, fitness center, tennis courts, and several restaurants and bars serving both Thai and international cuisine. The resort is located about 50 kilometers from the Hotapao International Airport, which is roughly 50 to 60-minute drive depending on traffic. Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport is around 120 kilometers away and takes approximately 90 minutes to 2 hours by car. One of the biggest advantages of staying here is the location. Guests are within walking distance to the famous attractions, including Walking Street, Pattaya Beach, Bali Pier, Pattaya Viewpoint, Central Pattaya, and the Big Buddha Temple. Whether you want nightlife, island tours, shopping, beaches, or family activities, everything is nearby. Pattaya itself stays warm year-round, with average daytime temperatures ranging around 29 to 33 degrees Celsius. The coolest and most comfortable months are usually November through February, making this the best time to visit for beach weather, sightseeing, and outdoor activities. March through May is hotter, while the rainy season typically runs from June through October with short tropical downpours. What makes the Siam Bayshore special is the balance between excitement and relaxation. Even though the hotel sits close to Pattaya's nightlife and entertainment district, the resort feels calm and private thanks to its tropical gardens and spacious layout. Travelers looking for a luxurious resort experience easy access to everything Pattaya offers, and will find the Siam Bayshore Resort to be one of the city's top choices for a memorable Thailand vacation. This is a beautiful place in a very interesting location, that is for sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I have been told this is the oldest five-star resort in Pattaya. It's been there a very long time, I know that for sure. Let's look at some of the numbers. This is from Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can go check it out if you want more information or check out the prices on your dates. But this is what's available right now. Number one, this is a five-star resort. The customer rating is 8.2 out of 10, a little bit low in my opinion. Some of that comes down to the location. Although this is an amazing location, staying next to Walking Street is not for everyone, that is for sure. Walking Street is a very unique place in Pattaya, worth a visit, but staying there for your entire vacation, that's a different story. I understand why some people wouldn't like it. But 8.2 out of 10 is not too bad, considering there's more than 10,000 reviews. That's quite a lot. Now let's look at the price. The price is quite reasonable, in my opinion anyway. But this is looking 2 months ahead. This is looking out 2 months ahead, and that brings it into the low season. The starting price is 2,329 Thai baht per night. Of course, that is the cheapest room available and before taxes. That works out to about $71 per night. That's pretty reasonable in my opinion, considering this is a five-star resort and it looks very nice. A friend of mine did stay here a few years ago and really liked it, but he was not new to Pattaya and knew what to expect. Other than that, I think this is a place well worth checking out. Don't be scared of Walking Street. You don't have to go to Walking Street even if you're close to it, but it's definitely a place worth visiting at least once. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.